Welcome to a transformative morning routine that revitalizes your kidneys and enhances your overall well-being. Today, we're uncovering 10 powerful habits. Cleanse and detoxify your kidneys from the moment you wake up. Imagine starting your day with simple practices that support kidney health and promote detoxification. From the refreshing benefits of warm lemon water to the calming effects of morning meditation, each habit is designed to optimize kidney function and promote a healthier you. Stay tuned as we explore how these habits can have a profound impact on your daily life and long-term health. Drink warm lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is a simple yet effective habit for cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in the urine. Citrate binds with calcium, which is a common component of kidney stones, thus reducing their formation. The warm water helps stimulate digestion and increase hydration, which are essential for kidney function. Additionally, lemons are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps flush out toxins. Drinking lemon water can also balance the body's pH levels, making the environment less conducive for harmful bacteria to thrive. To prepare, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This practice not only aids kidney health but also boosts metabolism, improves skin quality, and enhances overall well-being. For best results, use fresh lemons and avoid adding sugar. Incorporating this habit into your morning routine is an easy and natural way to support your kidneys and promote detoxification. Hydrate. Plain water. First thing in the morning is crucial for cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys. Overnight, your body undergoes numerous metabolic processes, leading to the accumulation of waste products. Drinking water upon waking helps to flush out these toxins and rehydrate your body after hours of no fluid intake. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function, as it facilitates the filtration of waste and the maintenance of electrolyte balance. Dehydration can lead to concentrated urine, which increases the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infection. Starting your day with a large glass of water kickstarts your metabolism, aids digestion, and promotes healthy circulation. For optimal benefits, aim to drink at least 16 ounces, about 500 milliliters of water when you wake up. This habit also helps to curb morning hunger pangs, potentially aiding in weight management. While plain water is ideal, some people find it beneficial to add a slice of cucumber or a few mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Consistently hydrating your body every morning sets a positive tone for the day and supports overall kidney health and detoxification. Enjoy a green smoothie. Green smoothies, packed with leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and parsley, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney health. These greens contain chlorophyll, which aids in detoxification by binding to and removing heavy metals and other toxins from the body. Additionally, the high fiber content in green smoothies helps regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion, which indirectly benefits kidney function. Adding fruits like apples, bananas, and berries not only enhances the flavor, but also provides essential nutrients, such as vitamin C and potassium, which are vital for maintaining electrolyte balance and preventing kidney stones. Hydrating bases like coconut water or almond milk further support kidney health by providing additional hydration and nutrients. Including ingredients like ginger or turmeric can add anti-inflammatory benefits, reducing the risk of kidney inflammation. Consuming a green smoothie in the morning helps to alkalize the body, reducing the acidic load on the kidneys and promoting a more balanced internal environment. This nutritious start to your day not only boosts energy levels, but also provides a comprehensive approach to kidney detoxification and overall wellness. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is rich in acetic acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones and prevents their formation by binding to harmful substances in the kidneys and flushing them out through urine. It also has antimicrobial properties that reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Drinking a mixture of ACV and water first thing in the morning helps balance the body's pH levels, creating an alkaline environment that supports kidney health. Additionally, ACV is known to improve digestion and boost metabolism, aiding in the efficient elimination of waste products. To prepare, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. For added benefits, you can enhance this mixture with a teaspoon of raw honey and a squeeze of lemon juice to provide additional antioxidants and enhance flavor. Consistent use of ACV in the morning promotes better kidney function, reduces the risk of kidney stones, and supports overall detoxification processes, contributing to improved health and vitality. Eat a kidney-friendly breakfast. Such a breakfast should include foods that support kidney function and overall health. For example, oatmeal is an excellent choice because it is high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the workload on the kidneys. Adding berries like blueberries or strawberries to your oatmeal not only enhances the flavor, but also provides antioxidants that help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Another great option is a smoothie bowl made with ingredients like spinach, banana, and almond milk, which offers a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and hydration, including healthy fats such as those found in avocados or chia seeds, and support kidney health by reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients. Eggs, especially when combined with vegetables like bell peppers and tomatoes, offer a protein-rich and low-potassium breakfast option that is easy on the kidneys. Avoiding high sodium and processed foods is crucial, as excessive salt intake can strain the kidneys and lead to hypertension. By starting your day with a nutritious, kidney-friendly breakfast, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients to support kidney function and promote detoxification. Practice deep breathing exercises. In the morning, it is a beneficial habit for cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys. Deep breathing increases oxygen intake, which helps improve circulation and enhances the delivery of oxygen to your kidneys. This boost in oxygenation supports the kidney's ability to filter blood and remove waste products efficiently. Deep breathing also promotes relaxation and reduces stress, which is essential for kidney health, as chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure, a significant risk factor, kidney disease. By engaging in deep breathing exercises, you stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which aids in reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. These hormones can adversely affect kidney function over time. Practicing techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or alternate nostril breathing for just 5 to 10 minutes each morning can help activate the body's natural detoxification process. Deep breathing also enhances lymphatic drainage, which assists in the removal of toxins from the body, indirectly benefiting the kidneys. Integrating this mindful practice into your morning routine not only supports kidney health, but also promotes overall well-being by calming the mind, reducing anxiety, and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Do a gentle morning yoga routine. Engaging in a gentle morning yoga routine is a beneficial habit, cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys. Yoga postures, such as twists and stretches, help stimulate circulation and enhance blood flow to the kidneys, supporting their function in filtering waste and toxins from the bloodstream. Poses like the seated twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana, and the supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana, specifically target the abdominal area and promote detoxification by massaging the kidneys and improving their efficiency. Yoga also promotes relaxation and reduces stress levels, which is crucial for kidney health, as stress can impact blood pressure and overall kidney function. Additionally, yoga encourages deep breathing techniques, pranayama, that oxygenate the blood and enhance the body's natural detoxification processes. Practicing yoga in the morning helps to awaken the body gently, improve flexibility, and release tension accumulated during sleep, thus fostering a balanced start to the day. By incorporating a yoga practice into your morning routine, you not only support kidney health, but also promote overall physical and mental well-being. Take a herbal tea. Herbal tea in the morning is a beneficial habit for cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys. Herbal teas such as dandelion, parsley, and nettle are known for their diuretic properties, which help increase urine production and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. Dandelion tea, for example, supports liver function and aids in detoxification processes that indirectly benefit kidney health. Parsley tea is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Nettle tea acts as a natural diuretic and may help reduce fluid retention, supporting kidney function by reducing the workload on these organs. Herbal teas are also hydrating and provide essential vitamins and minerals, contribute to overall health. Drinking herbal tea in the morning not only aids in flushing out toxins, but also promotes hydration and supports digestive health. It's important to choose organic herbal teas and avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to maximize their health benefits. Incorporating herbal teas into your morning routine can provide a refreshing and health-promoting start to your day, supporting kidney detoxification and overall well-being. Avoid caffeine and sugary drinks. Avoiding caffeine and sugary drinks in the morning is crucial for kidney health and detoxification. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and some energy drinks, can increase blood pressure and lead to dehydration by promoting urine production. This can strain the kidneys and impair their ability to function optimally. Sugary drinks, such as sodas and sweetened juices, contribute to weight gain and can elevate blood sugar levels, potentially increasing the risk of kidney damage over time, especially in individuals with diabetes. High sugar intake also promotes inflammation and oxidative stress, which are detrimental to kidney health. By avoiding these beverages in the morning, you support kidney function by maintaining hydration levels and reducing unnecessary stress on these vital organs. Opting for water, herbal teas, or fresh fruit juices without added sugars provides hydration without the negative impacts associated with caffeine and excessive sugar consumption. Making this adjustment to your morning routine can significantly contribute to kidney health and overall well-being in the long term. Meditate for stress reduction. Meditation reduces stress levels, which is crucial as chronic stress can contribute to hypertension and impair kidney function over time. By calming the mind and body, meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can negatively impact kidney health. Additionally, meditation enhances mindfulness and awareness of bodily sensations, allowing individuals to better tune into their hydration needs and overall health. Consistent meditation practice has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and boost immune function, all of which support kidney function and overall well-being. Taking just 10 to 15 minutes each morning to meditate can set a positive tone for the day, reduce anxiety, and improve mental clarity, fostering a balanced and health-promoting start to your day while supporting your kidneys' natural detoxification processes.